Have you ever wondered what you can do if an agent on your team is going on vacation and they need incoming calls to not go to their mobile number, but go to another team member? The answer is yes, and the answer is very simple and short. So the good news is this is a very short explainer video for how to do this. Someone asked this question in the Follow Boss Mastermind Facebook group, Follow Boss Success community. I bookmarked it and thought, let's create a very short, simple video. So let me go over to Follow Boss and show you how to do this really fast. So to do this, either the agent needs to log into Follow Boss themselves, or you need to get with them and log in with them to do this with them. To do this, log into Follow Boss on the computer, click the top right corner and go to My Settings. Under the name in Follow Boss is a phone number. This should be the agent's mobile number that rings, if they have the dialer, the incoming calls. This number needs to change to whatever phone number you want to receive the incoming calls to. So if the agent's going to be on vacation and they don't want to receive the incoming calls to this number, just change it to whoever you want it to ring to instead. So if you want it to ring to an assistant's mobile number, change it to that. If you want it to change to your mobile number, go to that. Now, in order for this to work, you do have to have the dialer. I should have prefaced this video by saying that. And then scroll down on this page and make sure that incoming calls are set to run both the desktop, or here, set to ring both the settings phone, which is that phone number I showed at the top of the screen, and desktop at the same time, so that it rings that mobile number and the computer at the same time, which in this case, the agent's on vacation, so that they should not be on the computer on Follow Boss. And that is how you set to ring a different mobile number while the agent's on vacation. Now, a side note is if the agent doesn't want to have to remember to do this, they go on vacation often, or they're a high producing agent and they often become bombarded with too many calls that they should not be taking, too many text messages they should not be answering, and it is busy work and they should not be, their time is too valuable is what I'm saying. Their time is too valuable to be taking those calls and text messages, and that should be offloaded to an assistant. Then I recently recorded and did a webinar teaching on transitioning your phone number in Follow Boss, for incoming calls, incoming text messages, missed calls and voicemails, as well as your email account as well, into a team inbox, so that if the agent's going to be on vacation or if they're busy showing, because it's not just in instances in vacation, it's also just instances of their time may be better spent doing other things, then you can transition the phone number and your email into a team inbox if you have a trusted team of assistants or a concierge team member to take those incoming calls, texts, and messages. So if that is an agent, and if that would be an even better solution for your team member and agents, then I'm going to link that below.